Welcome to the Housing Expert Hub YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us. Whether you're a homeowner, builder, DIY enthusiast, or just curious about construction, our channel is your go-to resource for practical, expert-backed housing solutions. We offer step-by-step construction guides, semi-permanent and permanent structures, material tips, termite-resistant timber, roofing, foundations, cost-effective building techniques, durable and weather-resistant designs, DIY hacks for home improvement. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Building a simple 4-bedroom semi-permanent house requires careful planning, cost estimation, and selection of appropriate materials. This is a step-by-step guide to help you construct an affordable and durable semi-permanent structure. Planning and design. House layout. Sketch a simple rectangular or square design, e.g., 12m x 9m. Divide into 4 bedrooms, 3.5m x 3.5m each. Living room, 4m x 4m. Kitchen, 3m x 3m. Bathroom and toilet, 2m x 2m each. Include a veranda. Choose a foundation type. Roof design. Hip roof with corrugated iron sheets, affordable and durable. For an affordable and durable roofing solution using corrugated iron sheets, both gable and hip roofs are good options, but they have different pros and cons. Hip roof, best for durability and wind resistance. Pros: more stable in high winds and storms, slopes on all sides reduce uplift. Modern and aesthetically pleasing, often considered more attractive. Better water drainage, no gable ends to leak. Cons: more expensive, complex framing, more cuts in corrugated sheets. Less attic space, slopes on all sides reduce usable space. Harder to install, requires skilled labor for proper alignment. Best choice: if budget is the main concern, gable roof, cheaper, easier to install. If you face strong winds or storms, hip roof, more durable long-term. Corrugated iron sheet tips. Use galvanized or coated sheets, prevents rust, lasts longer. Ensure proper overlap and fastening, prevents leaks in heavy rain. Consider insulation or reflective paint, reduces heat buildup. Would you like recommendations on sheet thickness or installation tips? Timber frames are an excellent choice for semi-permanent structures, offering durability, flexibility, and aesthetic appeal. Here's a breakdown of key considerations for designing and constructing a timber-framed semi-permanent structure. Design considerations. Purpose: determine if the structure is for shelter, storage, workspace, or recreational use. Size and layout. Plan dimensions, roof style, gable, shed, hip, and open versus enclosed walls. Local climate. Account for wind, snow loads, and rain exposure, adjust bracing and roof pitch accordingly. Portability. If relocating is a possibility, consider modular joints or bolt-fastened connections. 2. Material selection. Timber type. Softwoods, e.g., pine, spruce, affordable and easy to work with but may require treatment for longevity. Hardwoods, e.g., oak, cedar, more durable and naturally rot-resistant but costlier. Treated versus untreated. Pressure-treated timber resists insects and decay, ideal for ground contact. Foundation options. Concrete piers, long-lasting and stable but less portable. Post anchors, metal saddles, elevates wood off the ground to prevent rot. Gravel pads or crushed stone, low-cost, permeable, and semi-portable. Skids or beams, allows the structure to be moved with machinery, e.g., for sheds or workshops. Framing techniques. Traditional joinery, mortise and tenon, lap joints, or dovetails for aesthetics and strength, requires skill. Bolted connections, faster assembly-disassembly for semi-permanent use. Prefabricated kits, simplifies construction with pre-cut components. Wall. Open frame, minimalist, good for shelters or shaded areas. Cladding, corrugated metal, plywood, or shiplap for weather protection. Insulated panels, for temperature control, if used as a workspace. Roofing. Corrugated metal, lightweight and durable. Weatherproofing and longevity. Preservatives, Apply wood stains, sealants, or borate treatments to resist moisture insects. Roof overhangs protect walls from rain splashback. Ventilation prevents condensation in enclosed spaces. Step 2. Materials required. Foundation: hardcore stones, cement, sand, and ballast for concrete. Reinforcement bars, optional. Walls: timber frames for semi-permanent structure. Mabati, iron sheets, or wooden planks for cladding. PVC or Eternit boards for interior walls. Roofing: timber trusses treated against termites. Corrugated iron sheets, per-painted. Roofing nails, washers, and ridge caps. Doors and windows: timber or metal frames. Simple panel doors. Casement or sliding windows. Semi-permanent houses offer a range of advantages, making them a practical and cost-effective solution for various housing needs. Here are some key benefits. Cost-effective. Lower construction costs compared to permanent structures. Reduced maintenance expenses over time. Ideal for transitional housing needs. Quick construction. Faster to build than traditional houses, making them suitable for emergency housing, e.g., disaster relief. Prefabricated components can speed up assembly. Flexibility and adaptability. Can be relocated or modified as needed. Suitable for temporary settlements, construction sites, or migrant worker housing. Durability and weather resistance. Built with sturdy materials, e.g., steel frames, treated wood, or composite panels, that withstand harsh conditions. Often designed to resist wind, rain, and moderate seismic activity. Energy efficiency and sustainability. Can incorporate eco-friendly materials like bamboo, recycled steel, or insulated panels. Smaller footprint reduces energy consumption for heating-cooling. Some designs allow for solar panel integration. Reduced legal and administrative barriers. Often requires fewer permits than permanent structures. Useful in areas with uncertain land ownership or zoning restrictions. Scalability. Easy to expand by adding more units or modules. Suitable for growing families or businesses needing additional space. Comfortable. Provides better living conditions than tents or makeshift shelters. Can include basic amenities like electricity, plumbing, and insulation. Ideal for disaster relief and development projects. Used by NGOs and governments for quick housing solutions after natural disasters. Can serve as transitional homes while permanent housing is built. Lower environmental impact. Less construction waste compared to traditional buildings. Some designs allow for disassembly and reuse of materials. Let's build smarter, stronger, and safer homes together.